In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file, find the right control, choose the format you need, and save it confidently without any guesswork. First, open Adobe Acrobat in your web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your home screen with your recent files. If not, go ahead and access Acrobat so you can get to your documents. The key idea here is simply getting into Acrobat where your PDFs live, whether they're stored in the cloud or listed under your recent items. Next, choose the PDF you want to save. Click the file from your list of documents to open it. If you're working from a shared workspace or a link someone sent you, open that link so it loads directly in Acrobat. Give it a second to render, especially if the file is large or contains images and forms. Once it's open, you'll see a toolbar across the top. Now, look along that top toolbar for the download icon. It usually appears as a downward-facing arrow and may be labeled Download. If your window is narrow, some tools might be tucked behind a More or Overflow menu. So expand your browser window or look for the three-dot menu to reveal hidden controls. You want the option that saves a copy from Acrobat to your device. Click the download icon and then choose the download type that works best for you. If you want a standard copy, select the regular PDF option. If you need a different format for editing elsewhere, pick an export type like Word, Excel, or an image format. When prompted, choose a descriptive file name and a familiar destination on your computer, such as your desktop or downloads folder, so it's easy to find later. If you see options like reduce size or optimized, use them when you need a smaller file for emailing or uploading, and be aware that heavy compression can lower image quality. That's it. Your file will begin downloading and you'll see it appear in your chosen folder. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's downloads panel. A few quick tips. If the download button is grayed out, make sure the document is fully loaded. If it's a shared or protected file, verify you have permission to save a copy. And if you've made edits in Acrobat, confirm those changes are saved in Acrobat before you download so your local copy includes them. You now know the simple, reliable way to save your PDF from Adobe Acrobat to your device.